The topic we are going to do today is physics, technology, and society. Physics, technology, and society are the three different words, but here they are coming under the same topic. The question now is why it is so. As we already know that physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. Physicists try to discover the rules that are operating in nature on the basis of observations, experimentations, and analysis. In short, physics is the knowledge. On the other words, physicists provide the knowledge of material universe, whereas the engineers provide the tools, the technique, and the procedure for putting this knowledge to practical use for the benefit of humanity. Many technologies have been developed on the basis of the knowledge of physics, and a few of them are mentioned below by way of illustration. The discovery of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction enables the engineers to develop electric generator, electric motor, transformer, and many other equipment. The discovery of law of thermodynamics leads to the development of many types of heat engines. The discovery of electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic radiation, vacuum tubes, and semiconductors led to wireless communication. Example, radio, television, and mobile phone. A more significant area to which physics has and will contribute is the development of alternative energy resources like solar energy, wind energy, etc. The advancement of technology as a result of discoveries of knowledge of physics has made a significant impact on human life. Due to the advancements in the technology of heat engine, it enables us to produce different kind of vehicles, trains, and aeroplanes. The discovery of electricity brings a change in the life and livelihood of people. It also brings changes in the output of the industries. The discoveries of calculators and computers make us to find easy in solving complex problems at amazing speed. We send satellites into the orbits to learn about the condition in the outer space. The development of radio, television, and telephone and mobile phone led to instant communication. Indeed, physics play a very important role in the society, whether it is at a personal level or at a community level. For example, when we walk, we use the knowledge of friction. When we close the door, we use the knowledge what we call torque, and so on. So, for the progressive of the individuals and the society, we need the knowledge of physics, whether for simple day-to-day life or at the technology level. We are all familiar with the words abuse of technology. Many people blame technology for whatever happened in the society and the environment, but they forgot that technology cannot do anything by itself. Once I saw video clips. In the video clips, a group of men carrying gun is sitting under a tree. Suddenly, a monkey get one of the gun from the men. The men realize this and start running for their life in all directions. So here the question is, do the men afraid of the gun? The answer is no. Again, do the men afraid of the monkey? The answer is again no. But do the men afraid of the monkey with the gun? The answer is undoubtedly yes. So, using technology beyond the limit is uncalled and it is bad. Everything what physics and technology give us is for the betterment of humanity and society. But if we misuse it we, humanity as a whole, has to face the consequence. It is much wiser to combat the misuse of technology with knowledge than with ignorance. Wise application of physics can lead to a better world. The progress in science in general and physics in particular is unstoppable. With this, we complete the topic today. Thank you.